What's up, YouTube? This is the Working Investor, and today we're going to talk about a company called Morris Invest. And for you guys that aren't sure, Morris Invest is a turnkey company. It seems like an excellent business model where they buy cheap rental properties in Indianapolis, and then they sell them and you get a pretty good ROI. And being that they're turnkey, that means that you just pay the money and they would fix up the dilapidated properties, and they would make sure that all the main repairs are there, get everything up to code, get a tenant over there, get it rented, and hook you up with a property manager. And then you just have to sit down and let the cash roll in. So this is something which I'm highly considering to invest in. I just had some more questions about it. So it says here on the right that you just have to book a call. On their website, there are no listings that I could find. They do have a really nice podcast with a lot of good information. They have a YouTube video. If you type in turnkey real estate investment, you're always going to see Morris Invest pop up. They have a lot. Him and his wife, they have amazing information. The only thing that kind of deferred me, that I have a little bit of cold feet was I already made the call. But apparently it seems like when you book the call, you have to always wait a couple weeks out, at least maybe 2 or 3 or to 9 weeks out to speak to somebody. Then you speak to one of their representatives, and basically they'll tell you that it's all cash. You have to pay. There's no financing. You have to pay the full $38,000 to $58,000 cash, and then once you pay the cash, then they would do the repairs, and then they would try to get everything going. So that all could take time. That could take 12 to 16 weeks. And I was reassured by them telling me that they have about 700 investors with 1,000 properties, and everyone's pretty happy. I was just trying to find more people out there that have already gone through the other side of it. I mean, you could see some reviews on YouTube of people raving about him, and I don't question the legitimacy of the reviews, but I definitely want to see some independent reviews of people who have already done it, because I was told that they don't have any listings on their website. They'll just email you some listings that match. Everything is cash. I just before I start dumping out a lot of cash, I just want to make sure that everything is nice and good. And this is some reviews that I found on biggerpockets.com. People had the same experience that I had. You have to book, you wait a few weeks out, people are concerned, they just want to get, it seems like a really good model and they're really confident, and they just want to find more people that have gone through it that can vouch for it, and more like independent reviews, not people who are giving reviews that are from Morris Invest, from their website. Anyways, if somebody has any information, if somebody's already gone through the process and they're happy, I would love to hear about it, because this is something that I'm really considering to invest in, and I think it could be a great investment for a lot of people.